Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about operators, part of programming in C++ course. In C++, operators are symbols that perform operations on variables and values. There are various types of operators, including arithmetic operators. These operators perform basic arithmetic operation such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. Comparison operators. These operators compare two values and return a Boolean value, indicating whether the comparison is true or false. Below are the examples of comparison operators: equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equals to, less than or equal to. Logical operators. These operators perform logical operations such as and, or, and, not on Boolean values. Assignment operators. These operators assign a value to a variable. Examples of assignment operators are as follows: simple assignment, addition assignment, subtraction assignment, multiplication assignment, division assignment. Ternary operators. An operator that takes three operands, used as a shorthand for an if statement. Below is an example of a ternary operator. Bitwise operators. These operators perform operations on individual bits within a value. Below are examples of bitwise operators. Miscellaneous operators. Size of, that returns the size of a data type or variable in bytes. Ampersand. This is an address of operator, returns the memory address of a variable. Asterisk. Dereference operator retrieves the value stored at a memory address. Using the correct operator for the task at hand is crucial for writing correct and efficient code in C++. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.